Hello, I am Dr. Javier Navarro Machuca, CEO and founder of IoConnect Services, a managed service provider and an advanced AWS, MuleSoft, and Datadog partner. I understand that during the COVID-19 crisis, businesses are exposed to extreme financial pressure, postponing initiatives and therefore prolonging existing pain points. In many cases, with a reduced team, making operations even more challenging. IoConnect Services is here to help you by offering cost-effective solutions at a price that will not jeopardize the quality of outcomes while staying within budget. Here are some examples of how we can do this. As an MSP, we monitor your IT infrastructure and applications, as well as your AWS and MuleSoft Anypoint platforms 24/7 for a fraction of the cost of dedicated resources. We identify the fastest savings opportunities by analyzing your IT footprint to reduce the cost of your technology subscriptions or licenses.